Good day, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Busha Precious Ndunge, and today we will be looking at Checkers Retail Company. We will be looking at their logistics. Checkers is a retail company operating in Southern Africa, and it is owned by the Shoprite Group. The retailer is one of the leading food suppliers with notable profit margins. Much of it is attributed to their effective supply chain management. The presentation outlines Checkers' logistic management, information technologies, procurement to warehouse, and packaging. Amongst other systems, Checkers utilizes the warehouse management system, which facilitates the management of warehouse activities such as shipping, order fulfillment, and inventory tracking. Customer service remains part of Checkers' supply chain strategies, with other retailers focusing mainly on cutting its overhead costs so as to keep its shelf prices low for its customers. Let us delve more into Checkers as a retail company. Checkers is an FMCG retailer owned by Shoprite that operates mainly in Southern Africa. Checkers currently operates in 37 Checkers Hypers and 202 Checkers supermarkets across Botswana, South Africa, and Namibia. This grocery chain focuses more heavily on fresh produce and provides a broader range of food options to affluent customers. Now, let's delve more into the logistics of Checkers. Checkers prioritizes operational and supply chain efficiencies to keep their products affordable and accessible while minimizing their environmental effect. The company has continued to invest in technologically advanced systems and infrastructure to ensure that the maintenance and enhancement of their efficiencies throughout their Checkers supply chain. Checkers has 32 distribution centers designed to meet the demands of the retailer's expanding network, improving efficiencies, enabling business growth, minimizing waste, mitigating risk, and advancing the overall centralization level of the organization. Now, let us look more into the information technology utilized by Checkers. Information systems are collections of multiple information resources to gather, process, store, and disseminate information. Amongst others, Checkers uses a warehouse management system, better known as a WMS. This system facilitates the management of warehouse activities such as shipping, order fulfillment, and inventory checking or tracking. The warehouse management system is used by Checkers in order to increase order accuracy and to maximize storage space. Now, let us look at the procurement measurement used by Checkers. Due to the nature of its business as a food retail outlet, procurement measurement is pivotal to Checkers retailers. Amongst others, Checkers uses the following key performance indicators in order to assess its procurement processes. It uses supplier defect rate, PO or rather purchase orders, and invoice accuracies, rates of emergency purchases, supplier lead time, purchase order cycle time or PO cycle time, vendor availability, cost per invoice and PO. These are the procurement processes utilized by the retailer. Checkers' distribution network relies heavily on security. Their wide network of distribution centers, the 32 that we mentioned earlier across Southern Africa, is a run on sustainability thanks to their ongoing search for innovative supply chain technologies and efficiencies. They have strict health, safety, environment, and quality programs that are in place at all Checkers distribution centers locations. The other company is routinely evaluated in order to ensure compliance with worldwide best practices. Now, let us investigate their demand management. Demand management refers to how a business organization monitors and manages client demand. It entails knowing what the company's customers want and taking the required actions in order to achieve their desires. Checkers' supply chain has been built to match the needs of their growing network by enhancing efficiencies, allowing for business expansion, reducing waste, managing risk, and increasing overall centralization levels. They continue to improve their supply chain's resilience and agility by expanding, modifying, and safeguarding in order to meet the changing needs of their ever-changing clients. Checkers retailers remain customer-focused, prioritizing enhancing their customers' experience through affordable prices. The retailer remain committed to their customers by, number one, doing their best to keep costs as low as possible. Two, addressing their needs with new products and services. And lastly, by giving back through extra savings, rewards, and community programs. Now, we cannot possibly investigate the logistics management of Checkers without looking at their warehousing and their packaging. With an integrated warehouse management system integrated to its virtual warehouse management system, Checkers retailers takes better control of its stock levels. They do this by tracking each of their products' locations in their warehouse is a massive undertaking. Losing track can have serious ramifications to their organization. Product nature plays a pivotal role in the packaging designs of different products. The goal is to ensure that products are packaged in such a way that they preserve the ingredients while protecting the sustainability of the environment with which we live. Ladies and gentlemen, in conclusion, businesses that optimize these logistic processes can achieve lower costs, increased delivery effectiveness, and improved customer experience, all of which are critical for competitive advantage and market sustainability. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for going through this presentation of me with Checkers South Africa, or rather Southern Africa.